All right, this is Malagueña part 2. We're going to start with the E chord here, 2, 1, open, open. We're going to go. We're going to do those first 3 notes coming on down, and then we're going to go. So we're going to have the 1, open, open, kind of faster than those others. So right in a row on those, and then we're going to come back to the second string and back to the big 2. So it's okay, nice and slow for the first 3, and then the next 4 are really fast. And you end on that 2. Then we do that thing twice, but that time we only go 1, open, open, and we're done with that riff. So. So the 1, open, open, those are fast compared to the ones before them. Okay, then our next measure is we're going to wait for the 1, 1, 2, 3. So that was the little E string open. So 1, 2, 3. So this is really in 6/8, but I'm looking at these next sections as just 3-beat pieces. So I put them in kind of like little 3/8 measures. It's going to be easier to read them and make more sense of them that way, I think. So we got da-da-dum, and we have 1, 2, 3, and then we get into a 3-beat thing. So we have 2, 1, and open on the next one. So the 2, 1, and open on these 3 down here hit as a chord. Then we have the little open 3 on the second string. So that's our first kind of measure where we're looking at these kind of 3s as they go 1, 2, 3 each time. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Next one is going to go 2, 1, 1. Sometimes people will do it like that. If you have trouble with this other one here, it's hard to get that bar and get that finger over top. So 2, 1, 1 to open on the small one to 1 over here. So these 2 pieces are like. Okay, then we're going to go to a G, open, open, and 3. Hit the 3 again, go to the 1 over here on the second string. And then we have opens on these top 3. 1 and open on the second string. So all these pieces together go. And be sure to download the free tab on this, it'll help out a lot. Now we have an F chord, 3, 2, 1. 1 open after that, so we hit that 1 twice. Now we're going to go 3, 2, 3. We're going to put the pinky on the 3rd fret of the second string. So the 1 to the open. And then 2 and 1 on the top 2. 1 to 2 on the G, E chord. So that's the first part of this thing. So it starts with 1, 2, 3, 2 beats on that little open, right? So 1, 2, 3. Two, and so it's kind of like the 3-beat happens on the next one. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, little E again, and then we have 2 on the G with little 5. Hit the 5 twice, go to the 4. So, and then we're gonna have 2 on the G string, 3rd string with a little 3, 3, 1 open on the little string. So this is like a. And then we're going to have open G with little 3, 3, 3, 2. And then G again with 1, open, 3 on the second. And then we have 3 up here, this F note, big 3 with little 1, 1, 1, open. Keep that 3 up there, 3, 1, 3, the second string. So let's look at all these again. We got. Okay, now we're going to go to big 2 with little opens. To the 4 right here, and then 2 in the bass, 3, 1 open on the second string. So this new part is. And then we're going to go 2 and 1 on the 3rd and 2nd strings. Hit 2 more of those 1s. And then we're going to hit the 2 and 1 again. 1, 3, 1. And then we can hit both opens. Open, open, open again on the 2. Opens again. 2 open on the G. 3 and 2 up here. Open to 1, the second string. We'll go over this too. And then big 3 with this 3, 1, 3 on the second string, E chord. And that'll hold 2 bars actually on that one. Okay, so this whole section here, we got one, two. Okay, so just take your time with that. Really cool stuff. Check out the tab. Now we get back to our part A from lesson 1, which was, so we had big 1, that's an E chord, 2, 1, open, open. So we got big 1 to little 1, and then third string to first string, second string to first string. Okay, so we'll do that twice. And then we come down to the A minor. We got 2, 1, open. We're gonna go 2 to little open, 1, open on the second, and then 2, open, 3. So if you've seen part 1 of this, you already know that part. And if you haven't seen part 1, be sure to go back and check out part 1. There will be a part 3 also, and I'll put them all together probably in a couple weeks. Put it out as one big long one. Okay, so we got we do that twice. Okay, now we get into an interesting technique, tremolo picking. That's where we're gonna have 2 fingers down here hitting quick notes. So instead of just, we're gonna go. So what I'm doing is, I like to use the middle finger and then the first finger to double it. So big 2, 2 opens. And then the 1, 2 opens, and then the open, 2 opens. So it's. Then we're gonna come down to the A minor. So same thing, you have the 2, always 2 opens on the small one. 1, open, 2, open, 3. Okay, so the whole thing is. We do it twice. Different ending this time. So that was 2, open on the second, 1. So that was a reverse order. So 2, open, 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, so the 3, 1, 3 was on the second string there. Okay, so once again, our new part. Okay, and then second ending where we go up. And then we're back to that part A of the song where we don't do the doubles. Okay, so that's a little preview of what's coming up in part 3. We're gonna do a little review here. We got right, see you next time. Thanks a lot. Got a tab with this. Peace out.